The lie in the market, you're going to see ads for $49,000, $99,000, and $149,000 ADUs. The whole thing's a lie. Those prices leave out everything that actually costs money. Building permits, foundation, site work, trenching, utilities, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, permits and inspections, finished work after delivery. I talked to families who thought they were building at $250,000 ADU and ended up at $400,000. That's not an accident. That's how those offers work. 3 things that move the price. Septic and utilities, the biggest wild card. Site conditions, hills, ledge, drainage, access, size and finishes. Up to 900 square feet by right in Massachusetts. Until someone walks your property, every price is a guess. Less than 10% of our families we work with are doing this for rental income. Most of our customers are parents moving closer to their kids, kids caring for their mom and dad, families with special needs, young adults trying to stay in Massachusetts. This isn't about cash flow. It's about taking care of each other. Why BuildX? We don't sell kits. We build homes, real homes. Our plans are designed and all selections are completed up front so we can give real pricing. Once we break ground, we guarantee completion in 100 days. If you want real numbers for your ADU project, go to BuildX.com and schedule a project discovery call. No pressure, no surprises, just the truth. And remember, just build, baby.